Hi guys, it's Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious vegan style black-eyed peas curry. So these are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using some black-eyed peas. I already cooked the black-eyed peas, so you'll need to make sure that you're using either canned or cook the black-eyed peas in advance to make this recipe. I have some full-fat coconut cream. I have some ginger, some pink salt, some scallion, some onion, some garlic clove, some thyme that I've tied together in a bundle, some tomato, some scotch bonnet, a red bell pepper, my homemade curry powder, my black pepper. I also have some parsley, but you can use shadow banning or cilantro instead, but I do find that difficult to get hold of at times, so I just tend to use parsley, but you can use any one of those things to make the curry. So now I'm gonna add some olive oil to my frying pan. I'm just gonna allow that to heat up, and I'm gonna add my onion, my garlic, my scallion, and my ginger as well. So now I'm just gonna stir that around, and I'm just gonna saute that for a few minutes until it's soft and it's translucent in color. Now I'm gonna add my curry powder to the frying pan. Just a bit more of the curry powder. I'm just gonna mix that in. So now I'm gonna add my red bell pepper. And then I'm gonna add my tomato, and again I'm just gonna mix all of those ingredients in just so everything is even and nicely combined. So now I'm gonna add my parsley to the pan. Gonna add my thyme that I bundled together, my scotch bonnet, my black pepper, And then I'm gonna add my coconut cream. I'm using coconut cream in a can, but you can use coconut milk. It just has more coconut to it. That's the only difference. And I'm just gonna increase the heat now so the coconut cream comes to a boil. And during this time you're gonna notice that the mixture, the color of the mixture is going to change because of the curry that we have in the pan. So once the coconut cream has heated through, now I'm gonna add my black-eyed peas to the mixture. And I'm just gonna stir that a little bit. Guys, if you want the full recipe, it's on my website, and I'll put a link to that in the description box. I'm just gonna cover that over and allow it to thicken and simmer down. So this is what the curry looks like after I let it simmer down. You can see that it's nice and thick and really coming together now. So the curry is as good as ready, so I'm gonna just remove my scotch bonnet from the pan. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. And then I'm just gonna add the thyme stems. See how easy it is to take it out when you just bundle it. I'm just gonna do a quick stir of everything, so you can see it all comes together. This is a favorite of mine. It's a favorite curry of mine. I'm gonna add a bit more black pepper to mine, and then I'm gonna add my pink salt as well to taste, and I'm just gonna stir that in, just stir that into the curry. And as I said, the link will be in the description box to how I make the recipe, and you guys need to check it out. It's great for vegans. Even if you're not a vegan, still try it. So guys, this is the curry. I'm just doing a close-up shot so you can see it. If you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe. Also comment, give me a thumbs up and a like. I'd appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Yeah, just you gotta try this one. I promise that you will love it. Even if you're not a vegan, you will love it. So please try the recipe. You will not regret it. And yeah, just enjoy the recipe.